Y'all, this is Bobby Washington, producer, singer, songwriter, filmmaker, and this is my vlog channel. I'm going to show you how to play 3DS games on your Android phone or device. They have something called Citra. Citra is available in the Google Play Store, or you can get the sideload one. The sideload one plays a little bit better without stuttering, so I prefer the sideload one. But if you guys want the free one out of the App Store, you can just download Citra from the App Store at Google Play. I'll show you what that is right now. Citra, T-R-A. Okay, 3D emulator. Alright, and that's it right there at the top. I'm not downloading mine from here. I'm getting mine from a different site. So basically, it's the MMJ one, and I'm going to have the link below this video. You can just click on the link. It'll send you right here to where you can download the latest. It was just updated 2 days ago, and I'm downloading it right now into my system, and it's almost done. Okay, it's almost downloaded, or it's finished. I'm going to click on it to install it. Okay, it's installing right now. Done. Alright, press done. Now it should be inside my apps. Yep, there it is. I'm going to drag it on my desktop, put it in my entertainment folder, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. Alright. Alright, so this video is done. My next video, I'm going to show you guys how to add games inside of Citra to start playing. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Give a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. These three hats have three different meanings. I'm going to break them down hat by hat. This hat represents me, the family man, husband, and father. This hat represents me, the musician, producer, singer, songwriter, street promoter. This hat represents me as a filmmaker, feature films, and vlogging. These hats also represent where I'm from, Miami. The cliche, you're a jack of all trades, but somehow I managed to master all three. I'm Bobby Washington, and these are my vlogs.